So the first step is to just enter into your calculator the square root of 124.9924, and this will calculate to 11.18. So start at the first answer and translate the 111.8 times 10 to the third power first by just entering in the digits without any decimal. So 1118. And then that's a 111.8 to the third power. So that's going to move the decimal to the right 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. And so that's where the decimal will be repositioned, then computing to 111,800. That is 111.8 times 10 to the third power. And so that's not the correct answer. It is not equal to 11.18. So then go to the second answer on the multiple choice list and enter in the 0.1118 value. And it's 0.1118 times 10 to the negative second power. So this means the decimal will be moved to the left 2 places. So then we reposition the decimal appropriately, and we compare that to the computed answer of 11.18, which is incorrect. And then lastly, we have 1118 times 10 to the negative second power. So we can put 1118 in and then move the decimal place. So that would be 1118.0 times 10 to the negative second power. So we can move the decimal place 2 places to the left because it is to the negative second power. So this places the decimal correctly at 11.18. So C is the correct answer. And the final answer is 1118 times 10 to the negative second power.